Dengue fever. Introduction. The only people at risk for dengue fever are people living in tropical areas. Select true or false. Correct. Although these areas most often report dengue fever, the mosquitoes that carry the virus may infest other places. Travelers can also get dengue fever while visiting high-risk areas. Classic dengue is usually a life-threatening condition. Select true or false. Correct. Although it causes a high fever and flu-like symptoms, this type of classic dengue isn't usually life-threatening. Other forms of dengue cause complications like bleeding inside or outside of the body or shock, which can be deadly. After being infected with one of the dengue viruses, you have immunity against all of the viruses that cause dengue. Select true or false. Correct. You only have immunity against the same type that caused your infection. You could still become infected with the other viruses that cause dengue. Reinfection with another type raises your risk for severe symptoms. Drinking fluids and resting can help people with classic dengue fever with recovery. Select true or false. Correct. There is no specific treatment for classic dengue fever. Drinking plenty of fluids and resting can help with recovery. Most people recover within 2 weeks. The mosquitoes that cause dengue fever are most active from sunrise to sunset. Select true or false. Correct. For this reason, it is especially important to take precautions during early morning hours after sunrise and in the late afternoon before dark. Precautions include wearing protective clothing and using a mosquito repellent. Thank you for using Explain.